I find this car really fascinating because when they first brought about 5 of them into Australia, I drove one for a very brief time. It's a Maserati proper factory race car, and you know, if you wanted a track car, I know quite a lot of guys have got Porsches and things that do track days. This would be just a really good point of difference. It's actually, you know, it's got a Ferrari engine in it, Ferrari Challenge engine, flat plane crank. It's got proper factory built roll cage. It's a paddle shift system like the Ferrari Challenge cars have, very similar. It's you know, like a great looking car. It sounds awesome, and inside it's got carbon fibre and Alcantara covered OMP seats, and all the tunnel and dash is all Alcantara. Like, it's really, as only the Italians could do. It's pretty special. So here is the heart of the Maserati Trofeo race car, factory race car. The engine is essentially a Ferrari 430 Challenge car, but it's got Maserati badging. It's a flat plane crank. Sounds fantastic. Not sure about the horsepower, but it's quite fast. Around the front we've got aero like a splitter. The bonnet's a one-piece composite bonnet. We come around here to the wheels and the brakes. Huge big brakes, which also have ABS. Big wheels, race slick tyres, in this case Pirelli. I remember driving one of these at Calder Park early mid-2000s, and you know, it's got ABS brakes, it's got really big brakes, big racing brakes. It's got slick tyres and things, and it was really good to drive, really nice to drive.